And our friends from Hewlett-Packard will tell you, investment will flow where they can invest in people. Money's fungible. They move that around a lot, but they're looking for a venue where they can invest in the people and the possibility of tomorrow. And elected officials often use the words public-private partnership. And here we've got a real-world, real-time manifestation of how important it is and how critical it is and ultimately how good it is for a community to take an academic institution, connect it with the private sector, reach out to the government. Dr. Pond, thank you for being here, and create an environment where those who come through these doors and graduate from this university hopefully will stay here because they've got the digital skills that companies like Hewlett-Packard will invest in, so this 21st century innovative district, this new 21st century Erie, Pennsylvania, can flourish and grow in the digital forevermore.